The next method, shortcut methods to find a square of a number is diagonal method. In the diagonal method, we are going to follow some steps to arrive a number. In order to understand these steps, let us start with an example that is given by 87. With this square, you are going to get 87 square. The required number is, if you square it, you can get, for example, 7569 is the answer. This answer we are going to get, I can say, by common multiplication you can get it. Okay, that is 7569. That is common multiplication. 87 into 87, 7 7 ja 49, 88 into 7 is 56, plus 4, that is 60. Then 87 into 5 again 56, 6, keep 5 as it is. 8 into 8 64, that is 69. Like this we can get a number with a common multiplication. Now the answer is 75. With this, with these digits, these are the required digits, how we are going to get steps? For that we follow some steps. First, count the number of digits in a given number. Given number is what? 87. 2 digits is there. Let draw the square and divide into n sub square. If you have how many digits we have? 2. 2 into 2, that is 2 square is 4. 4 sub squares we are going to get. For example, we have, okay, 4 sub squares like this. 2 digits are there, 4 sub square. By drawing n minus 1, that is 2 minus 1, that is one horizontal line and one vertical line, that is 2 minus 1 means 1 vertical line. Okay, this is horizontal and one vertical line. By drawing these lines we are going to get n sub squares, that is 2 square. Sub squares means 4 sub squares. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Draw the diagonals of each sub square. We are going to draw the diagonals like this. Okay, very simple procedure. The next, write the digits of a number to be squared along the left side. Left side means what? Like this. That is 87. And top horizontal side like this. We are going to write like this. Okay, 87. The next step. The next is multiply. I will write here in order to understand. First I will going to draw a square. Okay, that is 87. Up to this step we know. Okay, we are going to draw. Next, we are already up to this step. We come. Multiply each digits on left side of the square with right side. This is right side. Left square. Multiply each digits on left of squares with digit on the top side. See, with top side 8 into 8 64. Write the unit digits of the product below the diagonal. See, 8 into 8 64. I will going to write 6 unit digits below the diagonal and 10 digits. 6 is 60, 10 digits above the diagonal. Okay, and again the 87 required digits is 7569. Okay, next, and it's little bit big, then it is very easy. Okay, I'll write little bit bigger. Like this. This is 8, this is 7, this is also 8, this is also 7. 6, 4. Okay, I'll write like this. Up to this step we come to know 8 into 8 64, 8 into 7 is 56, 5 I will write here, 7 into 8 56, again 5 I will write here below, 7 into 7 49, up to these steps. Okay, now starting below the lowest diagonal, this is the lowest, below the lowest diagonal, sum the digits along the diagonal. See, I will going to sum it starting from lowest. First, before going to that, I will extend these diagonals little bit more. Okay, not easy understanding. Okay, see, first required digit is what? 9. Okay, you have to start from below here. There is no number other than 9 here. Just keep 9 as it is here. Okay, next what we can do, sum the digits along the, write the 10 digits and carry over the write the unit digits as it is. 9 means again it can be written as 9, can be written as 0, 9. Write unit digit as it is and carry over the 10 digits, that is 0. Carry over 0 is nothing but 0. There is no need to carry over here. Okay, the first required digit is 9. Okay, here first required digit is 9. Okay, and next there is no need to carry over here. Next, okay, next you can go to the next diagonal. Okay, so again sum the digits, that is 6 plus 4 plus 6, that is 6 plus 4 plus 6, that becomes 16. Okay, the next required digit is 6. Okay, therefore I mark here and carry over the unit digits, carry over the 1 here. I will mark this one. Okay, next this is 5 plus 4 plus 5, that is 14. 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus carry over the 1, this one is adding, this becomes 15. Okay, that is 15, because carrying the over to this one. The next required digits, again we are going to underline the unit digits and carry over the 10 digits, that is carry the 1. Lastly coming to the 6, that is 1 plus 6, that is 7. Again underlining the all the diagonals are over here. Therefore required digits are 7, 5, 6 and 9. Therefore 87 square is equal to 7, 5, 6, 9. This is how we are going to follow the steps in order to get square of a number. Very simple. I will repeat once again. Very simple. First you have to count the number of digits in it. There are 2 digits, and draw the square and divide it into n square. 2 digits here is there, 4 sub squares will going to that 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. Okay. Draw the diagonals of each subsquares and write the digits of a number to be squared along the left vertical side and top horizontal sides. Very simple. The next step is multiply each digits on the left side, left of the square with the top digit on the top of the column. And write the unit digits below the diagonal and 10 digits above the diagonal. Starting the below the lowest diagonal, sum the digits along the diagonal and write the unit digits and carry over the 10 digits. Complete all the diagonals to get a required answer. This is how we can write the things.